Ni ukweli kama jinsi ambavyo huwa tunaambiwa, there is nothing that supersedes a toxic relationship katika kukuharibia maisha na kukukosa jinsi utakavyoendelea kuwa na amani. Hapo jana taarifa zimegonga vyombo vya habari kuhusiana na kuvunjika kwa ndoa ya Mungai Eve na mpenzi wake director Trevor. Na chanzo kikubwa cha kuachana kwa wawili kimekuwa ni a matter of discussion haswa katika mitandao ya kijamii. But as of right now, we are digging deep into the story as we expose what has really led to this couple parting ways. Now, director Trevor Sidechick has exposed Mungai Eve's dirty and what they don't want you to know. Mungai Eve has been one of the biggest Kenyan YouTubers and influencers of our time. Now, she has been one of the most rising content creators who came to the greener pastures after dating director Trevor, and their dream was achieving success through entertainment, and that they went ahead to achieve it. The two broke up as they alleged a year ago, as confirmed by director Trevor, that they broke up on February 2023. Unlike fans thought they just broke up a few months ago when they unfollowed each other on Instagram. However, director Trevor shared on his Instagram story that the two are no longer an item and they are no longer working together as a couple, and so the reason to rebrand their YouTube channel to Kenya Online Media. In addition, Kenyans have today been left speechless after the alleged director Trevor Sidechick exposed dirty deep secret of the couple that Mungai Eve director Trevor relationship was going through and that led to their breakup. The alleged Sidechick has given out details on what has been really happening between the two, and these are just some of the screenshot of the conversation that this lady went ahead to give to blogger Edgar Obare, who posted them through his Telegram account. Now, yeah, I shall read all of them. How much money did they use and are they building for them or his parent? How much money did they use? His story aliniambia one-on-one. They are building for his parent. Lipua said like 5 million na ijaisha, so walitumia kitu kaa 5 million. Now, Edgar tells the lady he must regret it now, but why would he agree to that if he claims Eve has been having an affair? How did he find out? Na anasema ako na screenshots from Eve's phone. He showed them to me. Anasema in the beginning you said he told you his story that he is in deep shit. And what are you referring to? Alikuwa anasema they used a lot of money kujenga, then a few days later they got involved in an accident, then hiyo story ya kupigwa. I don't know ni kupigwa ama kupigana. I shared the photos. Yeah, I saw them. Alafu pia the car wasn't insured. He had to look for someone to buy it. But I don't know what happened. He tried kuchukua ya loan, but hakuwa na deposit, so I don't know if he managed to sell the other car. Unasikia? Anasema alipigwa na zile picha za kupigwa. Si wewe umesema ni yeye amesema? What if he said it on a call na akatuma picha, a picture of what exactly of him that he has been hurt? Just bring everything you have and explain the missing parts. It's like I have given you all the tea honestly. Yeah, na hapa ya mwisho naona some screenshot. I'm dating your girlfriend, badala uniombee Mungu nipate wangu, nataka kunichapa. Surely what is that? Back to you saying in studio, Mungai Eve, the digital content creator, dating whoever has been exposed she was dating. Chanzo kikubwa cha hawa watu wawili kutengana, we can all agree that this is because things do change. Zile pesa watu walikuwa wakitengeneza zikawa ziji tena, so what would they do other than parting ways? Yeah, these are among one of the trading stories in the country. What do you have to say in regards to this? Kwanza tunaambiwa director Trevor hauraguo tahiti ni Mungai Eve hauraguo naguo gonado makiuria ri wahuragwa kari ahuragwo ni kunyiha. Leave your comment hapa kwa comment section. Hii ni FM Show KE. Tungane katika video zetu zijazo.